This delicious drink called Tigernut is one of the refreshing drinks you ever try out. I'll be showing you how to make this so you can make it yourself and not to depend on the one you buy from the supermarket. Tigernut is rich in fiber, helps your digestion and prevents constipation. Today we'll be making a tigernut juice. I'll be using this dried tigernut, so we have to soak this for some days for it to be soft and produce more juice when processed. We won't be adding sugar to our tigernut, so we'll be using dates to sweeten our tigernut because all we'll be using are all natural products, which is safe for a diabetic patient as well. We'll be adding our coconut. So this coconut, I have already broken it. Wash it, slice it, and break it to a chunk like this. So this is what our tigernut looks like after soaking it for 2 days. I'll have to wash this and then prepare everything together. I'll be using tigernut, date, coconut, and banana. You don't need to add all of these banana. You can just use 3 pieces of your banana and that will be enough. So for this portion, 3 pieces of banana is enough because I wanted to use 5 pieces of banana and I noticed that already it was too sweet, too delicious. In fact, I was like, I just need to stop. So I used 3. You can see this in my blender. I had to put everything together in a blender, then pour in some water, then blend everything together. You can do this batch by batch depending on the capacity of your blender. If you have a mini blender, don't overwork out your blender because you know tigernut and coconut are hard to break. So it's preferably you do this batch by batch. Once you're done blending, put an ice in a bowl to help your tigernut not to sour before processing it. Place a sieve cloth over the bowl so that you can use this to drain the tigernut. Right now you can see our tigernut is ready. So let me have a taste of this tigernut. Yummy! This is so delicious. This is the best I've ever had. So have to pour this in a jar and airtight it. Let me know when you try this and comment under the comment section if you'll be trying this, and don't forget to subscribe. Subscription is free as I will be uploading more content that you'll be amazed at. Bye.